of a new school year. It's a joy to see you all gathered here, ready to embark on a journey full of discoveries and knowledge. As we gather here today, let us take a moment to appreciate this wonderful opportunity, a chance to learn, to grow, and to create lasting memories together. A very warm good morning to our Honorable Vice Principal, Ms. Raina Jonah, respected teachers, and my dear friends. Today, as we come together to mark the beginning of this new academic year, we would like to extend our heartfelt congratulations to each one of you present here for achieving a wonderful milestone, especially to the students of class 6 who have just transitioned into the senior wing. It is said, prayer does not change God, but it changes the one who prays. With this said, I would like you all to join your hands for the morning prayer by a school choir.
Classes, attention!
educates and updates. It is the lifeblood of an updated citizenry. Now I would like to invite my fellow friends to update you with the latest news. Good morning everyone. Today's international news is spectacular fireball over California. Chinese spacecraft junk lights up the sky. Taiwan has experienced its strongest earthquake in 25 years, killing at least 9 people and 900 injured.
Good morning, everyone. Today's national news is Election Commission of India takes action against nearly 1,000 government employees in Andhra Pradesh for violating Model Code of Conduct. Delhi Court directs Tihar Jail authorities to provide electric kettle, table and chair to Kejriwal.
Good morning everyone. Today's sports news is yet another 270 plus score posted in the IPL, this time by Kolkata Knight Riders as they make 272 and defeat the Delhi Capitals who made just 166 in 17.2 overs in reply in Visakhapatnam. Suryakumar Yadav has been declared fit and is likely to feature in the Mumbai Indians' next IPL game against Delhi Capitals at the Wankhede Stadium on Sunday. Badminton world number 333 Anmol Karp defeats world number 54 Malvika Bansod and is now on the path to become the next PV Sindhu.
Today's weather forecast is as follows. The sun rose at 6:08 am and it will set at 6:44 pm. The maximum temperature will be 36 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature will be 21 degrees Celsius. It will be mostly sunny today with 31% humidity and no chances of precipitation. The UV index will be very high. Now, I would like to invite Ayush and Vedisha to enlighten us with the thought of the day.
Today's thought of the day is what the caterpillar calls the end, the rest of the world calls a butterfly. I repeat, what the caterpillar calls the end, the rest of the world calls a butterfly.
This quote suggests what may seem like the end of something for one entity is actually a transformation and new beginning for others. It's about perspective and recognizing the potential for growth and change even in seemingly difficult or final moments. Thank you. नए रास्ते, नए सपने, नए हम, जीवन की धारा के संग बहते रहे हम। कुछ भूल गए, कुछ को भुला दिया और आगे बढ़ते रहे हम। ये एक नई शुरुआत है, ये एक नई शुरुआत है। सीखता गया मैं अपनी हट होकर से, ना रुका कभी, ना झुका कभी, ना कभी ठहरा कहीं, बस आगे बढ़ते रहे हम। यह एक नई शुरुआत है, यह एक नई शुरुआत है। With this poem, now I would like to invite the school choir. When we hear the Kavita ma'am to please say a few words.
Thank you, Tanurit. Good morning, everyone. What a lovely morning. School is actually so happy to have you back in school. Are you happy to be back? Yes, ma'am. Are you happy to be back? Yes, ma'am. Yes, we are also very happy. When you were not here, school was not smiling. When you are back, school is smiling. We are also smiling now. So we welcome you to the new class, new books, new teachers, and your new friends, because we have changed sections also. So everything new, and new things bring hope, isn't it? So we are hopeful of a bright session that is going to be ahead. So this assembly, we welcome you, Principal Ma'am. This assembly is to welcome all the children in the new class, and especially children who have joined us from the primary wing. They have come to the senior wing, so we have to give them a big round of applause. So I will just ask class 6 now, are you happy to be part of senior wing? Yes, we are also very happy. Yes, all the other classes, 7 to 10. Are you happy to have your new friends in the wing? Yes. Oh my God. Oh, are you happy? Yes. Yes, louder, yes. And now, because class 6 has moved from class 5, they are in the senior wing. So it is the responsibility of each and every child in the senior wing to make them comfortable. And class 6, this is for you. You also have to follow all the rules and regulations, whatever is told to you in the class, which corridor you have to use, which stairs you have to use, which washroom you have to use. Please follow that, okay? So anytime, whenever you have any problem anywhere, you can just come to us. So I will just introduce myself today. I will introduce, because you people have just come. I'm Rana. I'm Vice Principal here. So today we will introduce you to other people also who have joined our wing. Before I do that, one thing that I want to share with all of you today, this year in our calendar, we have adopted 21st century skills. We will be working on these 21st century skills. This month's skill, have you read? I would like to ask all the children, yes, which skill? Communication, yes, very good. Big round of applause for the students who already know about it. So when we talk about communication, I will just start from here. What are the expectations of our parents? Because when I was meeting them during PTM, they all said that we have put our children in an English medium school. We want that they should all learn to speak in English, yes. So for that, what we need to do? We all need to speak in English. We know that you speak Punjabi at home with your parents. You know Hindi also. We encourage all the languages. But because your parents have sent you here to improve your English skills, so today onwards, make a promise that you will all be speaking in English wherever you are. With your friends, in the playground, in the bus area, and in the classroom. Only for Punjabi class, Kavita ma'am is there, and for Hindi classes, you will be speaking in the language that is required. Otherwise, wherever you are seen, just speak in English. Class teachers and subject teachers, I am giving you this responsibility. We are going to announce the award at the end of the month during our assembly. We will award that child who will be speaking in English everywhere, and secretly marks will be allotted by all the teachers, because we watch you everywhere. We watch you when you are in the playground, when you are in the corridors. Okay? So are you with me on this? Yes, ma'am. Are you there with me? Yeah, yes. So we have enthusiastic people who have joined our wing. So big round of applause for that enthusiasm that is there. It should stay on. This enthusiasm should be transformed, should be transferred to class 10. Class 10, class 9, 7, are you with me on this? Yes. So today onwards, we will speak in English everywhere. Fine? Thank you so much. So I would like to introduce now our enrichment head, Sudeshna ma'am. Ma'am has joined us this session. So big round of applause for Sudeshna ma'am. Ma'am, please come here so that everybody can see you. Sudeshna ma'am will be taking care of all the activities in school, especially enrichment activities. So ma'am, if you can say hi to all the children.
Very good morning to all of you. Good morning, ma'am. So are you all excited? Yes, ma'am. Yes. So another exciting year, and lots of opportunities are there for you. And we all know that your potential is unlimited, limitless. So we all have to be together, and let's have a good number of activities where you can all participate and make this year a very interesting one, right? So your journey begins, a new journey begins, and let us make it an interesting one. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. And we have our senior wing coordinator also. Ma'am has joined us this year, Monica Sharma ma'am. Ma'am will be taking care of all the classes from 6 to 8. Monica ma'am, please come here. You have already seen her everywhere in school, but this is a formal introduction that we are making today. So Monica ma'am will be taking care of all the classes 6 to 8. Soon we will have another coordinator who will be joining us for classes 9 and 10. So many people, and we are going to work in this session. So ma'am, you want to say something to children?
Good morning, everyone. First of all, congratulations and all the best for the new session. I am hopeful that you will be doing your best. So congratulations once again and all the best once again.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. I think we can start with the award ceremony now. Yeah, please. Thank you.
A very good morning to our Honorable Principal, Ms. Poonamjeet Kaur. Ma'am, we welcome you. Now I would like to request Honorable Raina Ma'am and our worthy Principal, Ms. Poonamjeet Kaur, to please give away the awards to our champions.
Football, starting with football inter-house.
These were from the last session.
Last session, December 2024, starting with Aspen House, inter-house football competition, winning the third prize. The third position, I request Aspen House to come forward. Rehatpal Singh, Shiv Pratap Singh, Harkirat Singh, Hargun Kaur, Gurbani Kaur, Evelyn, Angad Singh, Parneet Kaur, Japjeet Kaur, Gitika Chauhan, Harsimran Kaur, Ravi Maan, Bhavika Sharma, Mikita Kamboj, Nazam Jot. We can clap for them, students. Winning the third position in football inter-house competition. We can clap for them, students. Tanish, Virin, Arif Thakur, Agamjot Singh, Arnav Chauhan, Nikhil Maurya, Kahan Narang, Harsehat Singh, Ekamjot Singh, Siddhat Kaur, Sandvi Pathak, Naira Bhardwaj. Second position, Maple House, football inter-house. I request the house warden, Ms. Manju Kapoor, to join them.
Yes, smile everyone. Thank you, ma'am.
Congratulations. Kiansh, Namjeev Kaur, Kanishk Pan. Harmanveer Singh, Gurkaran Singh, Yash Kanwar Singh, Pratap Singh, Manraj Singh, Ridhima Malik. Maple House, second position in basketball inter-house competition.
Yes, smile everyone. Thank you.
Congratulations, students. First position secured by the Cedar House. I request the team to come forward. Vihan Reddy, Freya Chabra, Neher Das Gupta, Parth Lakhanpal, Vinraj Singh, Sahajpreet Kaur, Harshveer Bhargav, Kunal Dayal, Advait, Kudrat, Aishwika, Guntas Kaur Sidhu. First position, Cedar House. I request the House Warden, Ms. Rashmi Khanna, to join them, please.
Yes, everyone. Yes. Yes, smile everyone. Thank you. Yes, smile everyone. Smile everyone. Smile. Thank you.
Congratulations, students. Oak House secured.
Whose birthday falls in this week.
My name is Dhruv. My birthday falls on 2nd April.
My name is Tarun. My birthday was on 1st April.
My name is Goransh and my birthday falls on 2nd April. My name is Bhavya and my birthday falls on 7 April. Before the national anthem, I would like to request Principal Ma'am to share a few words.
Thank you. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, ma'am. So let's get ready for a beautiful day. And I think the fact that we came out in the open, in the fresh air, has energized all of us. Yes, ma'am. We might have got a little bored if we didn't get any medal. But are the children who got a medal energized? Yes, ma'am. No. The children who got a medal, are you happy? Yes, ma'am. We can take a call on that. Do you need medals or not? Yes. So if the medal is not really what you want, we don't have to waste time and money. Is that right? Do you like your medals? Yes. It's your achievement. It's not our achievement. It's your achievement. You played well. And that also inter-school, inter-house. So these were the inter-house awards? Yes? So does it give you a sense of achievement? Yes? No? Are you feeling, yes, you achieved something and you've been awarded. This was an award ceremony, a special assembly for the children who had played and won in sports. Are the sports people happy? That's what I was asking, but the yes is from behind. That's the choir. Are the sports people happy? Yes, ma'am. Yes, better. So let's now get back into our routine and have a wonderful, wonderful day. The first day, this is of course not the first day, this is the second day. Whatever we do sets the pace. So yesterday, today and tomorrow, you will get into the routine of what is going to be happening in the coming months. Please make sure that if you have any queries, especially if you're new children, like ma'am said, our children in class 6, if you have any queries, go to your class teachers, your coordinator, your vice principal, Raina ma'am. She's on the second floor. She's there on your same floor. So please make sure that you go and ask her if there is any problem. Don't just move around not knowing what to do. And teachers, my request to you is no child will be sent out of the class for anything. Any work that needs to be done, any messages that need to be sent, any sheets that need to be sent to the the vice principal or to another class, we will get our didis or do it ourselves. I don't want to see any children in the corridors with papers saying that we had to go and give this to another class. Children, you will not be leaving your classes. Please make sure that you're in the correct class on time. Right? I just want to point out one or two things which I could see. Haircuts have not happened in a lot of cases. Please make sure that the boys have proper haircut. The girls' hair needs to be tied a little more neatly. Even if you've got ponytails, they should look that you have combed your hair this morning, not got out of bed and come to school. We spoke about it in the orientation. The turnout is very, very important. We need to look smart. Yes? And are the t-shirts supposed to be inside or outside? Are the t-shirts supposed to be inside or outside? Tucked in? Make sure that they're tucked in. Yes? And all the children from 8th onwards, please make sure you get into the habit of wearing the turban. 8th and above, no patkas. Alright? So Sikh boys, your turbans are compulsory from 8th onwards. Girls, please make sure your hair is tied properly. You're looking neat. This is the school. Yes? Uniform, smart children. That is a life skill. And please make sure you're wearing proper shoes. I can see colored shoes. That's not allowed. So black shoes is what we need. Yes? Okay, so everybody's going to follow the rules. I can see a lot of children without their I-cards. On the very second day, I'm surprised. Class teachers, please check. Make a note, send a note in the diary. All the children who are in incorrect uniform today, not having their I-cards, please send a note to the parents. Let's get the rules implemented from day one. Yes, otherwise it becomes a habit. We have to be smart in Smart Wonder School. Alright, and that's not how we stand in the assembly. Yes, stand straight. Okay, thank you. Have a wonderful day. Thank you so much, Rana ma'am, for organizing this special assembly for the sports children, even if they did not appreciate it all that much. So we need to ensure that the children also understand the amount of effort that goes into organizing something for them. The special assembly was organized just because they had missed out on this. Yes? So we need to learn how to appreciate and have gratitude. Say thank you. So thank you so much, Rana ma'am. Wonderful and wonderful for introducing the new members of our team, Sudeshna ma'am. And of course, ma'am was here from before. You've already seen her. Yes? So she was as an activity coordinator and moved on to the academic team. So I think you will be comfortable. Sudeshna ma'am is going to be supporting us in all the activities. And of course, the little ones, see the go-to person. That's your VP, Rana ma'am. Give her a big round of applause. Thank you, Sandeep sir, our HOD Sports, for ensuring that our sports are always good and our teams. So inter-house means ready for inter-school. We want golds this time, sir. As many as possible. Thank you, children. Always do your best. That is what is important. Thank you.
Last minute thanks to our music department. In one day they have prepared beautiful songs. Big round of applause for Jaideep sir and all the students from music department. And a class teacher, two class teachers I gave this responsibility, Anamika ma'am and Reema ma'am, and sections I think 10B and 10C. Big round of applause for 10B and 10C for taking this initiative. Just in one day they have prepared the assembly. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your motivational and wonderful words.